Hello kids, today we are going to learn something new. Do you know about farm animals? Let's learn about farm animals and their sounds. Cow. Cow is a farm animal. Cow gives us milk. Many products are made from milk like butter, cheese, curd, ice cream, ghee, and many more products. Cow eats grass and grains. Cow says moo moo. Pig. Pig is a farm animal. Pig is often pink in color. Pig loves to play in mud. Pig eats plants and grains. Pig says oink oink. Horse. Horse is a farm animal. Horse runs very fast. People ride horse for fun and work. Horse eats grass and hay. Horse says nee nee. Goat. Goat is a farm animal. Goat eats grass and leaves. Goat gives us milk. Goat says mama and it sounds called blit blit. Hen. Hen is a farm animal. Hen gives us eggs. Hen eats grains and worms. Hen says cluck cluck. Donkey. Donkey is a farm animal. Donkey is very strong. Donkey helps carry loads. Donkey eats grass and hay. Donkey says hee haw. Duck. Duck is a farm bird. Duck can swim in water. Duck gives us eggs. Duck eats grains and small insects. Duck love to live near ponds. Duck says quack quack. Ox. Ox is a farm animal. Ox is very strong. It helps farmers to plow the fields. Ox eats grass and hay. Ox says moo moo. Sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. It has soft wool. Farmers use wool to make warm clothes. Sheep eats grass. Sheep says baba. Okay children, I hope you enjoy.